You know those memes that go like, normal people go 7 plus 6 equals 13. But then people with ADHD go, if 7 plus 7 equals 14 and 6 is 1 less than 7, then 7 plus 6 must be 13. Even though I'm almost sure a lot of people without ADHD do that also, but I digress. Anyways, for a long time I also thought like this until I was made aware of my color synesthesia. I can never pronounce that word. In which people assign a color to numbers, words, and concepts, and that I, in fact, do not think like that, but somehow think very much worse. How do you all solve this equation? This is how I solve it. So, you see, my numbers have different colors depending on the context. So a certain number may have a variation of colors. So like if I'm thinking of it in the sense of time compared to if I thought about it in maths, and then different again if I compared it if it was just a lone number. Numbers with multiple digits get a little complex. So a 3 in maths is dark red, 6 in maths is a brighter red, and 9 is a type of dark grey blue. Since 16 is made of a 1 and a 6. A 1 is a light blue, and as aforementioned, a 6 is a red. This, for some reason, means that 16 is a dark maroon? I guess the blue mixed with the red, I don't know. But anyways, now in my mental space, when I do addition or subtraction, it kind of looks like this. The 10s are blocked out in the colors depending on the first number. For example, if I was doing maths with the number 27, the 20s are blocked out in this type of brown since that's what the color number 2 is. And then I just have the 7. All except for 10, because 10 has its own special color, black. So for 16, I see all the numbers up to 10 blacked out and then a red 6, as that's what is left over. Okay, so a 9 again is a dark grey blue. A 9 is made up of 6 3s, thus 3 dark reds. A 6 is made up of 2 3s, thus 2 dark reds. So back here, I can remove the 2 reds, which make a 6, and I know that there is 1 red left over. So when I uncensor the blacked out remaining 10, I know that I need to subtract 1 more red, i.e. a 3. Using the rainbow math trick I learnt at school age 7, I know that 3 is paired with a 7, a light silvery anyways. This all occurs within seconds in my head. So to me, all I see is a blacked out section and a dark red that splits into 2 reds. Meanwhile, on the other side of my head, I see a dark blue-grey split into 3 dark reds. Then, like cancelling out a nice algebraic division before math got hard, I have 1 red left over, and within the black, subtracting a red automatically equals a light silver turquoise? What the hell? Anyways, the meme gets a little more complicated then. Whoops. If you want to see more explanations of how I do things with color synesthesia, like reading time or doing more complex maths, even writing essays, comment them below and I'll happily explain my weird ass brain.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Just here to remind you to subscribe like the rest of your favorite YouTubers. I think it would be real neat if I sped run 69 million followers, just saying.